Hey, how's it going? My name's Caleb, and I'm an accounting major.
Hi, my name's Gabe. I'm a building construction technology major.
Hello, my name is Alex. I'm also a building construction technology major.
Hi, I'm Charlize, and I'm double majoring in public health and psychology. And we also have Jocelyn, who's not here today, but she helped a lot with the script. So, for our leadership project, it was with the Williamsburg Woodland Trail Committee, an organization focused on opening and improving trails for community use.
The 50-acre Briar Hill property was acquired by the town of Williamsburg in 1964 and is managed by the Williamsburg Conservation Commission. In the 1970s, volunteers developed the trails and picnic areas on the land. Within the property, there are the ruins of the dam and the mill that can still be seen on the trails today. They historically failed, leading to the Mill River flood of 1874. The Williamsburg Conservation Commission is about 7,500 parking spaces.
Williamsburg, Massachusetts is situated on the ancestral homeland of the Nipmuc and Pocumtuck tribes. Also known as people of the fresh water, they are deeply connected to the water of New England. This region was later inhabited by the Mohican people and is currently the land of the Stockbridge Munsee Community Band of Mohican Indians. These tribes were known for hunting, fishing, and amazing horticulture skills. There are around 600 members left of the Nipmuc tribe and 1,200 members of the Mohican tribe. We honor and remember the land and the people of those who were here first.
Our definition of civic engagement is taking action to improve communities and address areas that need attention. It's important because it helps create a more just and equitable society where people's needs are recognized and met, allowing for a higher quality of life. By clearing these trails in Williamsburg, we are contributing to that goal, improving accessibility, safety, and enjoyment for everybody who uses them.
We worked alongside the Williamsburg Woodland Trail Committee on the Briar Hill Conservation area, trimming vegetation and raking leaves out of the path. Their goals are to work with public and private landowners in a respectful manner to open and improve trails for appropriate community use, collaborate with local land preservation organizations and volunteers to promote use and maintenance of Williamsburg Woodland Trails, and to strengthen the bonds of our community through this effort.
Environmental leadership is extremely important, especially today as we face accelerating extinction of species, global warming, and widespread climate change. It's crucial that we have environmental leaders who are able to take action and push for changes that protect the planet. Environmental leadership helps create a more sustainable, balanced, and just world for current and future generations.
Speaking to the Williamsburg Conservation Commission felt meaningful. We didn't expect such a positive and informative outcome. It felt good to work and help local communities, getting to exercise what we learned in class and implementing them into real-world events. Although this was a small, short volunteering experience, it felt like a step closer to a bigger change. Volunteering our time and energy felt rewarding, being able to spend hours in nature, not only helping ourselves, but also contributing to healthier trails. Environmental leadership has a role in natural resource conservation because without leadership, conservation efforts won't happen. Leadership is needed to guide, build awareness, and educate on conservation efforts. Overall, we are grateful for the opportunity to volunteer with the Williamsburg Conservation Trail Committee and thankful for the knowledge that we gained from this experience.